Hello and welcome back to PECO TV. Today we're excited to tell you that we have a first for PECO. Two very special limited edition 80th anniversary train sets in 009 scale are now available. These special electric train sets are beautifully presented in a high quality case with magnetic seal. Each is also supplied with a numbered and signed certificate. These sets really are something special, either to gift or to keep as a souvenir. First is Palmerston Passenger Set. The second is Welsh Pony Express Set. Each of the sets contains a Festiniog Railway 040 narrow gauge locomotive, one of the England locomotives developed by PECO in the UK and Kato of Japan. These high quality models have exquisite mechanisms for smooth and reliable running. Accompanying the locos are various items of rolling stock produced by PECO at our production facility in Beer. These are our first 009 train sets. In fact, they're the first ever train sets offered by PECO, and there are 100 of each available. We have produced these very special sets to kick off our 80th anniversary celebration in 2026. Inside each set you'll find your instruction manual, limited edition certificate and a PECO 009 set track plan book. Then the next layer will reveal your England locomotive and rolling stock. And the final layer reveals your oval of PECO set track with a turnout and siding, re-railer and a Gauge Master combi controller and screwdriver for connecting your terminals. Connecting the track together is straightforward. All the rail joiners are already connected to the PECO set track, making setup quick and simple. The plan book is beautifully illustrated with lots of great ideas to help newcomers to the hobby develop their train set further and expand it in the future. The sets are available for £349.95. There's only 100 of each set available, and they will sell out quickly, and with Christmas just around the corner, we certainly don't want anyone to miss out. 2026 is our 80th anniversary year, and these special edition train sets are part of this celebration. Now, if you've enjoyed this film, please like and subscribe. It helps us grow the channel and reach more people who want to learn about PECO products. So, until the next time, happy modelling!